Traders, something very interesting here. So that's my first stop loss after 3 months. And it was the Monday manipulation. So the whole moment in the Monday, this pullback, it was the original pullback, but the principle, what was created all this area, was fake out. But it's all good, come on, because today morning we have absolutely beautiful entry. First of all, we have the same W pattern. You can see we have the W pattern with a nice break and retest and start going higher, exactly how the price is doing previously. W break and retest, W break and retest, here W break and retest, here W break and retest, and here again W break and retest. And the other thing for this movement was the Fib. You can see it is very beautiful. It's too beautiful even. Exactly like it was. Exactly like it was, this one here. The 618 is exactly where is the W high and break and retest, and here we can see the same thing. The 618 is exactly the same place where is W high and break and retest. Similarities from previous price action, and you can see the previous price action is respecting super nicely. So when the price action is respecting the principle super nicely, the same elements, the same respecting behavior, it is, how to say, we make here it's all the time happening in the future. Like we created here and respected, we created, respected again, we created, respected again and again. Here we have some seller scalps, and now I get stop out. It was still actually pretty good trades. Entry was super beautiful, 618, everything was there. For example, if you trade the 618 here, if you trade the Fib 618, you have the 618 entry, so that Fibonacci take profit 4, it was actually done, but the structural moment wasn't strong enough, so there was a bit more fear in Monday in the market, and it was pushing all the way down to create another W inside the Fibonacci, and the price is going. So this here is the new opportunity for the same pie, what is happening here. So that's the same pie extension. For example, for me, if you get stopped out, it's still a bullish structure because the higher Fibonacci, the major Fibonacci, is still pushing higher, and the principles and previously respected higher, and the sellers, the scalping opportunities is pullback, and pullback is going to the 618. Absolutely nicely and beautifully. And it's all created front of our eyes. Don't have to think anymore here. Beautiful trades. Currently we are inside this. Want to break this one. So it's bouncing, fake out, and a new shoulder here for higher. Definitely for the structural sellers, they waiting this retest here because we have breaking structure but no retest. That's why my take profit was here and it is here because of the retest. We have breaking structure. Now price is gonna go retest And now here is patient. We have to look what is the behavior there. If the fear is pushing down, it's a very good selling opportunities, or when the price is like that, depends. Now it's the fear, now it depends of the greed, because the greed can push price higher, bounce, and then retest and gone higher. That's why a little bit patient. A little bit patient can saves you time and your money. But here, super good. Nice W inside. Let's look there. Where we have take profit for. Like this one, like you can see how the take profit for, it is exactly where is the major levels. So, for example, the Fibonacci full take profit is here. But do you want to hold there? Because there is a great opportunity for sellers here. For example, you can leave it open. And most likely the TP3 is hitting too, because this Fibonacci right now looks very healthy. We break the structure here, we break the structure, and we break the structure, and now pullback W inside the 618, and price is currently going, and inside that structure we break in the highs again, and we have nice W breaking structure, principle going higher. Overall looks very bullish. If you're holding those trades, it's no problem at all. To hold longer, it's everyone else risk management there. There's definite opportunities. But where is opportunities, there is opportunities for opposite side too. Something what we have to keep our mind, the balance. For example, for me, when I'm open the charts, I have most of 1 or 2 weeks information already in my mind every day, even the normal day when I'm even not in a chart. The whole information is still in my mind, because I don't keep the noise in my mind. I keep the things, the principles of the structure. What is disrespect or respect? And then you just have a few patterns in your mind, and what the price action is actually respecting. And then you have behavior, where the price is going. So I'm keeping those things in my mind, and every single detail what is going here, I have like the mind balance. Where is the buyers and sellers? So I have how am I going to do that? The scale, basically. You have, I don't know how to do it. So one side is buys, one side is sellers, and every single information what you can gather here, not the noise, the real information, where is actually the value and the meaning, something behind it, not just some candlestick movements and behaviors. More information, and then it's going higher or lower after those details are now open here, made. For example, this W here, if this W is very in the right place in the right time, so that's mean, for example, when this is buyers, so this is gonna go higher, and sellers are going down. Oh, sellers going down and buyers going higher. It's like the psychology weight. I try to hold it in my mind like which sides is more respect or disrespect. So right now the sell side is getting disrespect and buy side is getting respect. So the price action is respecting the previous principles and price is bouncing higher, 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 higher. And for example, the yesterday entry break and retest was happening here today too. And it is pushing higher. All those details make a difference. So far so good. And I have, what was there was something what they did in PTC too. The whole trade is bouncing here, this one. So it started here. How the price, we have very bullish pattern, break, I'm gonna zoom in. We have pattern, bullish one, you have break, close above, a nice retest and price is going. Then price is back to the major ones, close above, nice retest and price is going all the way higher. So now we have the biggest challenge here. The previous structure movement and prices get first rejected and then ding 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 close above, retest, and now what the price is doing, price is going back to the retest. You can see here we don't have a retest. And how the price is retesting, we have a super nice W pattern, but this time we didn't have a retest. Here you can see price didn't have retest and price is boom boom going higher. For example, the trade opportunity for the buyers, so the take profit is here where this candlestick was. So if the price wanna now continue, so the new opportunities is above this area. And you can see the price is now here pushing higher. You can see here price is pushing higher, Fibonacci. And now we have a break in structure. So the price was going higher where was previously, where was buyers take profit. So the buyers energy is still inside the trend. It's still in here. Even we didn't have retest. It's still inside because we didn't break any major lows. And the price is, the next behavior after the retest is breaking structure higher. And now price is doing it again, another pullback. And here you have absolutely beautiful entry here. That thing is just too beautiful. The whole structure here, you can see it is nicely going higher to the principles and everything, kind of everything else too. Principles, structures, trend lines, and the FIB too, because if you look in the FIB, what you can see, price is the 618 was super nicely respected here, all the way to the take profits. So that's the first, and this is the FIB here, this one. And this is the first Fibonacci here. Didn't hit the take profit straight away, but if you hold it a bit more, you hit take profits. And if you have clear mind without noise, there was you another opportunity. Then you have another opportunity here. So yeah, here you have opportunity, and in this moment you have to realize the trend is very strong and we still want to continue higher. So this was the opportunity here. That was the opportunity. And the price is now even, yeah, like the next one. Price was going even higher. Same thing what the gold can do. For example, if you hold that position, can go higher, no problem. And for example, the previously here was the seller opportunity, and now price is going above this area, and the same place you have now buy opportunities. But that was the trades and the information inside that movement. I'm gonna finish today. Thank you, everyone. If you have some questions, you can leave in the comments, and I'm gonna answer. Thank you, every single one, and ciao.